kids, welcome back to Mom and Me Fun Factory. Today we are going to learn some amazing Halloween facts. Are you ready? Let's go. Pumpkins are a fruit and can be giant. The largest pumpkin on record weighed in at 2,479 pounds and was 21 feet 1 inch in diameter. Orange and black are traditional Halloween colors. Orange stands for harvest and pumpkins, while the black represents the spooky night time.
Owls can rotate their heads about 270 degrees, almost in a full circle, so they can spot prey in the dark.
Black cats aren't always spooky. Some cultures think they are lucky. In Japan, England, and Scotland, a black cat can mean good fortune, love, or prosperity.
Long ago in Europe, children went door to door on a fall holiday, asking for food or coins in exchange for saying prayers, a inspired modern trick or treating.
Long ago in Ireland, people carved faces into turnips and potatoes before pumpkins were used. That's where the jack-o'-lantern tradition started.
The word witch originally comes from an old word meaning wise. Long ago, witches were often seen as wise people who understood nature, herbs, and healing.
Candy corn was first made in the 1880s and was called chicken feed because it looked like corn kernels that farmers gave to chickens.
Bats aren't scary, they actually help us. A single bat can eat up to 1,000 mosquitoes in one night.
Spider web silk is so strong that if it were as thick as a pencil, it could stop an airplane in flight.
What's your favorite Halloween fact?
I love the fact about bats who can rotate about 270 degrees. That's amazing. Thanks for learning with us, friends. See you next time and enjoy your Halloween time. Bye bye.
And don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Bye bye friends.